Should I bring a CB radio for road trip emergencies? Imagine cruising down a long highway with no cell phone signal in sight. You might wonder how to stay connected if something goes wrong. That's where a CB radio can come into play. CB stands for Citizens Ben Radio, and it operates on specific AM frequencies. These radios are designed for short-range communication, usually around 4 to 20 miles, depending on terrain and antenna setup. If you're in a remote area or mountain region, cell signals can drop out, leaving you without a way to call for help. A CB radio can fill that gap, especially since many have a dedicated emergency channel called Channel 9. This channel is often monitored by local first responders and volunteers, so you can quickly ask for assistance if needed. It's a simple way to get help without relying on cell towers. CB radios also let you hear real-time updates from other drivers about road conditions, weather alerts, or traffic issues. This can help you decide whether to keep going or find an alternate route. For groups traveling together, CB radios make it easy to stay in touch without using cell phones. You can coordinate stops, share information about hazards, or just chat to pass the time. Many truck drivers and off-road enthusiasts still use CB radios because they work well in areas with poor cell coverage. But keep in mind, CB radios do have some limits. Their range is shorter than satellite devices or ham radios, and channels can get crowded or have interference. Using a CB radio also requires a little practice to understand proper etiquette and how to operate it effectively. To get the best range, you'll need a good quality antenna, which can be about 2 to 3 feet long. The radio itself is usually compact, around 6 inches wide, and costs between $50 and $100 depending on features. You can find them at most outdoor or electronics stores, and they are quick to set up. Overall, bringing a CB radio on your road trip can be a smart move if you plan to travel through areas with limited cell service. It offers a reliable backup for emergency communication and keeps you connected with other drivers nearby. It's a simple, effective tool that can give you peace of mind during your adventure.